How to schedule Instagram posts on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set a future date and time for your post to go live automatically. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new post. From there, tap on Post to open the post creator. At this point, select the photo or video you want to post from your gallery. Let me show you. In the next step, tap on Next to move to the editing screen. From there, apply any filters or edits you want and tap on Next again to go to the detail screen. At this stage, add your caption, hashtags, and any other details you want to include. Following this, scroll down and select More Options and look for the Schedule option and tap on it. Once done, tap on the Date field and select the date you want your post to go live. From there, tap on the Time field and choose the exact time you want it published. At this stage, tap on Schedule to lock in your selected date and time. Following this, tap on Schedule Post to finalize everything and set your post to publish automatically at the chosen time. Here's an important note. You can schedule a post up to 75 days in advance, so plan your content ahead of time and let Instagram handle the publishing for you automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you schedule your Instagram posts, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.